Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? My dear students, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good morning. How are you all? Good morning, Sanjay. Good morning, Lalima. Good morning, Nitesh. Good morning, Nikita. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Tarun. Everyone, very good morning. Spotlight yourself. Okay. So, are you people really practicing whatever we did yesterday? Guys?
Good
Right.
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Are you people practicing whatever we did yesterday? Guys? Okay, fine. Shall we continue with the class? Okay, guys, and I just have a... Okay, forget about it. Okay, shall we start the class? Shall I share my screen? Is my screen visible?
1 minute. Hello.
Hello?
Hi, this is Arun here.
Yes, sir. Very good morning.
Good morning to all the students as well. Good morning, everybody.
Good
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Okay, and Ashwara, I need just 2 minutes of conversation. May I?
Yes, sure. Yes, sir.
Okay, so ma'am, actually, to all the students, I'm telling guys, actually, I have received few complaints that there are people those who are joining with the improper name. Ensure you always join with right name. I don't want to see anybody with the your company name or sort of what your mobile name, HP, Xiaomi, this, that, Vivo, and all. That should not be there. Ensure you join with the right name. First condition. Second thing, if at all you think that you are somebody who can give feedback to the trainers, madam, you are cute, madam, I love you, in that all that case, I mean it, I'll catch hold of you and kick you like anything. I repeat, if you are trying to misbehave with any trainer over here, every single mischievous activity is aware to me, and I'm not gonna tolerate anything. Every trainer you have to respect equally. Secondly, if a lady is taking a session, you have to be very, very careful with respect to your words, guys. You are nobody to give such compliments to the trainer. Is that clear to all the boys? Respond in chat quick. And this is a severe concern. I'm not gonna tolerate this at all. You are nobody to give such feedbacks to any trainer. All the people, are you clear with me? Yes or no, guys? Each one of you. I don't want to listen a single mischievous activity coming once again, and you are nobody to comment to any trainer like that. This is the first and last warning. I don't prefer to talk these things again and again. Next time, strict action will be taken. And you don't worry, it's not like just you will be left, you will be asked to leave the we stand for you. I will take a proper action against you. I'll not spare you. Any employee, those who are working in we stand for you, they are our responsibility. Their safety is our prime concern, and you are nobody to mess with that. If you think you can talk any nonsense activity to any person in organization and you will be asked nothing, no, you are mistaking it. I'm going to take damn strict action against to that. I don't want to listen you anybody joining with the wrong names in the team. Second, you are nobody to give such compliments to the trainer. You are a student, come here, learn and leave. That's all. That's it, madam. Continue. And sorry
Yes.
to disturb you.
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
And I'm keeping an eye on, guys.
Okay, guys, can we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen, guys? Is it visible?
Yeah, ma'am. Visible.
It's visible.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday, did you people practice whatever I said yesterday? Yes or no? Guys, unless and until you people do not practice the classes, no, I will really not be able to help you. Okay. Clear? Clear? Is my screen visible? Shall I start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today, what is the topic, guys? Is anyone aware? So today the topic is called as coding and what is the topic? Coding and has anyone heard about this? Coding and decoding? Guys, please reply. No, I cannot always look into the chat box. Guys, can you reply?
No, ma'am.
No, mama. You cannot reply, yes?
I am talking about this topic.
Yes. What about the topic, Nitesh?
This coding and decoding.
Okay, you don't know. I will teach, Ra. I will teach. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Everyone are writing with me only. Okay. So first one,
Yes, ma'am.
encoding and decoding. As you people know, what are the alphabets? Can you people tell me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. What is the numbers given to it? What is the value of A? Guys, what is the value of A?
1.
1,
1. B?
2,
3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Yes or no? So totally how many letters are there from A to Z? You people have 26 letters. Yes or no? In these 26 letters, how many vowels are there and how many consonants are there? Yes, my dear students, how many vowels you have and how many consonants you have?
5 ovals.
Vowels are 5
You
and
have
consonants are
vowels
21.
are 5. That is
5.
A, E, I, O, and U. And consonants you have left out is 21. Yes or no?
21. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, if you have to find, so now for these vowels, can you tell me what are the values here? What are the alphabets? A, E, I, O, and U. Now you people tell me what is the value of A here now?
1,
And E?
5,
E is 5, I is
9,
9, O is 15,
15, and
U is
22.
21. Okay. So if I say that I have to find the opposite pairs, how will you find out the opposite pairs? How will you find the opposite pairs, guys? Yesterday I taught you this, no? Okay, what is the opposite pair for A? What is the opposite letter for A?
N, ma'am.
For A, it is N, na? Pakka. Guys, see here, I can say that the opposite letters are A and Z, B and Y, and C and X, and so on.
X.
See, every time you cannot write all the alphabets from A to Z and you cannot tell A, Z, B, Y. See, every time you cannot calculate like that. Yes or no? So, for finding the opposite pairs, I will teach you one trick. Okay. So, what is the A value here now? What is the A value, guys?
1, ma'am.
A value is 1. And what is the, from A to Z, what is the total count of alphabets?
26.
The total count of alphabets is 26.
26.
So can I take Z is equals to 26?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
because
Yes,
A
ma'am.
and Z are opposite values. A is equals to 1 and Z is equals to 26. So now let me add A plus Z. What is A plus Z? 1 plus
27.
26. You have 27.
27.
So what is the total sum of letters? The total sum of letters is 27. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for an example, can you people tell me what is the opposite letter for Y? By seeing, you people will tell.
B, ma'am. B. B.
Wait.
B.
What is the opposite letter for S? Well, okay, first of all, tell me what is the value of S? So the value of S is around 19.
19.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the total Z value?
27.
26.
Value is 27. So if I take 19 minus 27, yeah, what is 19 minus 27? Or 20, sorry, what is 27 minus 19? What is 27
8, ma'am.
minus 19?
8,
Eight.
ma'am.
8. What is the value of 8?
H.
What is the value of 8?
H, ma'am.
H. So
H.
what is the opposite letter for S? The
Yes,
opposite
ma'am.
letter for S is H. Clear?
H, ma'am.
Clear? Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the opposite letter for P? For P, what is the opposite letter, guys? If I take P, what is the value of P?
16, ma'am.
16.
What is the value of P?
16.
16,
P
ma'am.
value is 16. What is Z value? Z value is equals to 27. So if I take 27 minus 16, what is the value?
11, ma'am.
11. What is the value of 11?
K, ma'am.
Is K. So the opposite letter for P is K. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once again. Okay, now can you people tell me, see, in this coding and decoding only, you have something called as models. In this models, you have 4 types of models. Okay, so let me take the first model. So my first question is, see, model number 1 is nothing but it is called as jumbling. It is called as jumbling and rearrangement. It is called as jumbling and rearrangement. Clear? Clear? Guys, can you people reply if you don't mind, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now what I will do here, now consider that I have a word here. I have a word here called as mechanic. MECHANIC. This is the word which I have. And next one, I have my code where this mechanic is written in this format. CINAHCEM. So this is my question. I have a word, and I have a code. Okay. This word mechanic can be coded as this one. Okay. Now the question is, how will the word engineering be coded as? How will the word engineer be coded as? What is the spelling? ENGINEER. Okay. So if I take engineer, this is the word, then you have to code this. So how will you code this?
REENIGNE.
See, why it is REEGINE? See, model number 1 says that if you people observe this, you have M here in the starting, and the same M is your last letter in the code. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
E is the second letter in your word, and E is the second last letter in your code. See, if you people observe, this is in the, this is arranged properly. Yes. And this one, if you observe, it is rearranged. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't you think that now, if you read like this, can you see here MECHANIC? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So engineer, how will I write? Can I write it like R? Should
E.
R here?
Yes, ma'am.
REENIGNE.
GNE.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
Okay, now let me take another question. The same question only I will take. The word is mechanic. Guys, please write this. If you people don't write this, you people will not understand. The word is mechanic, and this word mechanic is coded in this format: EMHCNACI. Okay. The question is, how will the word engineer be coded as? How will the word engineer be coded as? Now, can you tell me how will the word engineering be coded as? Guys, if you people observe this too, if you people observe the word and the code, can you see here? It is crisscrossed here. It is swapped.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And if you see here also, C is here and H is here. It is swapped.
Yes, ma'am.
Again here also. Oh, wait, let me. Guys, who is the talking? Guys, who was that who spoke now? Okay. So how is the code here? So the code is, what is the code here? It is, what is the code, guys? The code is EMHCNACI. So how will my engineering be coded as? N will come here. So it is N. E will go here. E. Again, I will come this side. G will go this side. Again, E will come here. N will come this side. Again, E will go, sorry, R will come here and E will go here. Correct or not? So it is NEIGENER. Correct or not? Guys,
Correct.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you people don't want to respond. Huh? Guys, you people don't want to respond. Yes. Okay. Can I take the next question? The same question. Wait, let me write. The word is engineer. The word is mechanic. Okay. MECHANIC. And the code here for mechanic is MCAIEHNC. So the question asked here is, how will the word engineer be coded as? ENGINEER. Can you tell me what is the logic of this one? Can you tell me what is the logic of this one? Girls, Pratibha, can you unmute yourself and talk? Lalima? Lalita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell me how this one is coded as?
Yes, ma'am.
Alternate words, ma'am.
Yeah, alternate words. So it is
words.
MCAI. See, first one it is it the alt? See, someone said that it is alternate words, but those alternate words are in the form of even letters or odd letters? Even letters or odd letters?
Odd letters, ma'am.
Odd.
It is 1, 3, 5, and 7. So here it is MCAI. What else word is left out? EHNC. Correct? So the same way, if I code this engineer word, it will be EGER. Correct? Correct or not? Sorry. It will be EGNE. Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ENE. What else is left out? What else is left out? NIER.
N-I-E-R.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
People understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Will I go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you people tell me one word? See, the first model you understood. See, in model number 1, what we learned in model number 1, the first example which we saw was you had a correct word which was arranged in a correct format, and in the code you had it rearranged. Yes or no? It was in the form of reverse order. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And in the second example which we saw, what was my second example, guys? My second example was you had a word here and you had a code here. So all the letters were crossed. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And the third example which you people saw, you were dealing it with alternate letters. Correct? You were
Yes, ma'am.
with alternate.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you get any combinations in these, like let it be alternate letters, or you have to crisscross the word or rearrange the word, then it will be which model? It will be your model number 1. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, we have something called as model number 2. Shall we go to model number 2?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
model
Yes,
number
ma'am.
2 is based on alphabetical order. This model number 2 is based on what order? It is based on alphabetical order. And your model number 1 was based on what? Guys, your model number 1 was based on what? Your model number 1 was based on jumbling and rearranging. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it was based
Yes.
on jumbling and rearranging. And your model number 2 is based on alphabetical order. Clear? Clear, my dear students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
shall I
ma'am.
take the first question? So the word given here is COMPUTERS. It is computers. And the code for this computers is like this: CEMOPRSTU. Okay. Now they are asking how will the word, electronics be coded as? ELECTRONICS. They are asking if this word can be coded as this one, how will the word electronics be coded as? Can you tell me how can it be coded? Yes, my dear student.
EC.
Okay, you have to write C here. Pakka?
Ma'am. EI.
You have to write it in the form of EI. Okay, let me write EI.
E.
E.
And then C.
C.
Again C.
Again C. Okay.
CS.
CS. Okay.
T. No, not T. Wait a minute, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, I will only tell you. Guys, what is it saying? It is based on alphabetical order. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
So now if you observe this one here, see what is the word given? The word given is computers. Yes or no? So what do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
mean by
Yes, ma'am.
what do you mean by alphabetical order? Alphabetical order means, see, you don't have A, you don't have B, but you have C here.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will write C here.
Okay, ma'am.
After C, what is the next letter you will get? You will D. But in this word, I don't have any D, but I have E. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After E, I don't have F, G, H, I, J, K, L is also not there, but you have M. N is not there. You have O and P.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have Q, but you have R, S, T, U, V.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't you think that it is in the alphabetical order?
Yes, ma'am. This is
So now for the same thing, you say for electronics, which is the first letter, first alphabet you will get C here.
E.
Sorry,
ma'am.
C, ma'am.
C.
C, E.
you will get C. When you say from A to Z, will you get C first or E first?
C, ma'am.
E.
E, ma'am.
It will be C. You have two C's here.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
P, C. Okay.
E.
After C,
Double E.
double E. Okay.
I.
I.
I,
L.
L, N, O, R, S, T.
L, N, O, R.
S. T.
Correct? This is in the form of alphabetical order.
Ma'am.
Yes, correct. Don't you think that this is in the form of ascending order? Don't
Yes,
you think
ma'am.
this is in the form of ascending order? After C, you get E. After E, you get I, L, N, O, R, S, T. Clear?
Yes,
Clear.
ma'am.
Shall I go to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, are you people at least taking the screenshots?
Yes.
Pakka. Pratibha has not joined. Monica, Pratibha. Okay. Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The next question, the word which I have here is, let me consider the same word, Computers. This is a word and this can be coded as CMPRSTEOU. They are asking, how can the word electronics be coded as? How can the word electronics be coded as? Can you tell me how can it be coded, guys? Keep one thing in mind, your model number 2 is based on what? Your model number 2 is based on what?
Alphabetical order.
Alphabetical order.
Order. Now, can you tell me what will be my answer? What will be my answer? So can I say first here I'll get C. Guys, can you people tell me what is the logic here? Guys, if you people observe, see, this is the word and this is the code you have. If you people observe, don't you think that the starting letters which are there till here, these are consonants
Yes, ma'am.
and E, O, U are
Vowels.
vowels. So in the same manner, you people tell me what are the consonants here. According to this word, what are the consonants? Is C is a vowel? Is C
No,
a
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Consonant.
So can I, so you have two C's here. So can I write CC?
Yes, ma'am.
And what, see, you don't have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I you have, but I is my
Oval.
vowel. So
Vowel.
I will be writing it at the last. Before that, I want to speak only about the consonants.
First L will come, no, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, tell ma.
First letter would be L, no, ma'am.
Why L will come?
L is a consonant, ma'am.
Baba, L is a consonant, I know. But what is my model 2 based on? It is based on alphabetical order, yes or no? Yes or no, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is based on alphabetical order. So if it is C, I have given the logic that it is a combination of both consonants and vowels. But before that, first of all, it is based on alphabetical order. So whatever I write, yeah, first you will get consonants, then only you will get vowels. But it has to be in an alphabetical order.
Yes, ma'am. Now I got it.
Can I know who is talking?
Supriya, ma'am.
Supriya. Okay, okay, dear. You got it, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So can you tell me what is the answer here now?
C.
You
C.
C you have. Yeah, next one.
L, N.
L,
L.
You don't have only one nil control. L,
N.
N,
R
R.
S
S.
T,
T.
T,
T, E,
E,
I O
E,
I.
I,
I.
O.
O.
Now can I say from here till here it is consonants,
yes, ma'am.
and
Yes,
from
ma'am.
here till here it is your vowels?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Does here also in the same way it has been said? Yes, your question is also saying the same thing? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshmi, you're there in the class, ma? Lakshmi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
hi, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
At breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Today you did puja?
No, ma'am. Why, ma'am?
Today Nagar Panchami, no?
Oh, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Can we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
You have
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next question called as COMPUTERS. And this word computer is coded as X, L, N, K, F, G, V, I, F. X, G, V, I, F. Now, by seeing these two, they are asking how can the word electronics electronics be coded as? So now you people tell me in this question, what is my logic? What is the logic if you people observe?
Opposite words, ma'am.
Opposite
We
words,
have
ma'am.
something called as the logic is nothing but your opposite pairs. Yes or no? The logic is nothing but you
Yes,
have the
ma'am.
opposite pairs. So now what is the opposite pair for E? What is
V.
the opposite pair for E?
B, ma'am. 22. B, ma'am.
For so E is V. And for L?
O,
O. E?
O, ma'am. V.
E,
V. C?
X,
X.
X.
T?
G,
R?
I,
I? O?
L,
L.
N?
M,
I?
R,
C?
X,
S?
H,
This?
H.
Correcta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Confusion?
No, ma'am.
Pakka? Are you
Yes,
people
ma'am.
really writing or simply saying yes, ma'am, no, ma'am? Okay, even Lakshmi is not talking today. Okay, you
Ma'am, talking, ma'am.
know you're talking, dear. Okay, see, what was my model number 1 based on? My model number 1 was based on
Jumbling and rearranging.
tumbling and rearrangement. Model number 2 was based on.
Alphabetical order, ma'am.
Now, what would be my third model? See, here the third model is your code question. Sorry, your one second. See, whenever I used to give a question, you used to have a word and you used to have a code. Yes or no? In the first
ma'am.
model, when we saw one letter as A, B, C, in the code it was written as A, C, B, A. Yes or no? Oh, C.
Yes, ma'am.
It was written like this. Yes or no? So you people said that, ma'am, it is according to the rearrangement. Yes. So we could get to know that all the letters which were present in my word were present in my code also. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Guys, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. And now in this one, what we are going to see is in model number 1, the word which we are writing. So let me write the word here. The word is TOURIST. Okay. And the code for this one is UPVSJTU. So guys, if you observe both the word and the code, see in model number 1, you had something different. So, though it was rearranged, whatever word was present here in the code, the same letters you were having. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But here in model number 3, you can see the code letters, the words or the letters which are there in the word is not present in the code. True? True.
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes, ma'am.
you people tell me, how can the word travels be coded as? How can the word travels be coded as? Yes, Arun, you're absolutely right. So it is nothing but you have to increment by one value. You have to increment by one value. Clear, guys? Ma'am, how to increment, ma'am? If you tell the alphabets, no, R, S, T. After T, you get. After T, you get.
U.
You, ma'am.
After O, you get.
P.
After
P.
U, you get V. After R,
P.
S, I, J, S, T, T, U. So now travels, how will I write it as?
U.
S, T,
U,
U.
ma'am.
Okay. R, S,
S. Yes.
A, B,
B.
U, V, E,
E.
S,
F.
L, M, S, T. Correcta?
Yes.
Correcta?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka, it is
It's
correct.
Madam, travel spelling.
it's
U,
travels,
V,
ma'am. TRAV.
U, V, ma'am.
This will
W.
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 Yeah, correct. Thank God, my students are active. Thank you so much. Yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Will I go to the next question? Guys, are you
Ma'am, what if it is a zebra, ma'am?
zebra?
Hmm.
Okay,
Z.
let me write this. 1 second, wait. You want the word called a zebra? Wait. Okay, you have the core word as ZEBRA. You have to increment one, no? After Z, see, you count from A to Z. Again, what is the letter? If you repeat it again, what will you get?
A.
Huh?
A.
You will get
A.
A. No? Guys, see,
Yes, ma'am.
HIJK, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again, if you repeat, you will get A. If
Okay,
you
ma'am.
E is
F.
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 C. R is
S.
S.
A is.
B.
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 So this will be your code. Clear?
Ma'am.
Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, dear. See, you have another word, same only, the same word only I will take. The same word you have TRAVELS. Okay. You have the same word as travels. Okay. Now, the code which I got here is S, Q, Z, U, D, K, R. Can you tell me what is the logic of these two? If you observe,
The
-1.
previous letters.
this previous letter. So you have to do -1.
1.
Or no? So if I take the word as can I take my own name or I will take Nitesh name? Nitesh. Yeah, Nitesh, can you tell me what name will I get it? So okay, shall I get M?
H.
Will I get M or H?
M then H, ma'am.
M.
Okay, then you'll get H. Then S.
S.
S. F.
D.
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 You'll get R.
R.
G.
G.
Yes
G.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Understood? Yes, anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I go to the next one?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So if you consider the same word, and this was written like U, P, D, R, J, F, Z. Now you people tell me what is the logic. Now you people tell me what is the logic of this. After T you will get, after T, if I increment 1, you will get U. Yes or no?
U. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, after P, after P, Q only, I will get R. Yes or no? So, can
Yes,
I say
ma'am.
it is -2?
Decrement.
So, can I say it is -2?
Yeah, ma'am.
After A, you are getting D. If I
Plus
increment
3.
B, C, D, so can I say +3?
+1 -2.
So, again, it will be -4,
-4.
plus 5,
Plus 5.
-6,
-6 plus 7.
plus 7. Now, you people tell me what is the answer, which will I get? For what word can I take now? Guys, tell me some word, no? Shall I take my name only?
Yogesh, ma'am.
Okay, Yogesh, I'll take Yogesh. Yogesh. Okay. Yogesh name will be coded as, if you increment 1, Y, Z, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, for O, -2 I have to do.
M.
Huh?
M.
M.
M, okay. For G,
J.
J.
J, ma'am.
J.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, it is +3.
J, ma'am.
For E,
Yeah, ma'am.
huh?
E.
B.
A,
B.
ma'am.
B.
A, ma'am.
B or A?
Yeah, ma'am.
B.
Yeah, ma'am.
A,
Yeah, ma'am.
A, ma'am.
How A, guys?
-4.
Minus
B.
5. It is,
-4.
-4.
it is
Yeah, ma'am.
-4. Guys, it is A, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And for S, it is +5. 5, huh?
X.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 5.
You will get X. For H, it is -6.
6. B.
B,
B,
ma'am.
ma'am.
B.
B. +6, ma'am. B, ma'am.
Correct, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will take another word now. Shall I rub this? Guys, I'm just going for the next one. I don't think so. You people are copying it. Or you people are taking the screenshots at least. True, na?
We are writing, ma'am.
You are writing, huh? Okay, let me see what you people are writing. What function you have tomorrow?
Induction program.
Good. Okay. Next one, see the same example I will take. And it is coded as S, Q, R, V, D, Y, M. Now tell me what is the logic for this. So can I say after S you will get T means can I say -1? Yes,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
For this one, shall I say
-1.
2?
-1, ma'am.
-1
-1,
is
madam.
Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Let me change this word. Now you people tell me. Now you people tell me. So can I say this is -3?
Yes, ma'am. -3.
So for this, can I say +4?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For this one, can I say +5? Sorry, -5? For S and Y, can I
+6.
say +6?
Yes, ma'am.
Last
Yeah,
one is
ma'am.
-7.
-7.
So if I want ELECTRONIC to be coded, how will I write it? If it is -1, what is -1? E -1?
D.
B. L +2? N.
N.
E -3?
B.
B or C?
B.
B. Okay.
C +4. G.
G. For T?
O.
R?
X.
X. Okay. O?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. V. Sorry, E.
E or B?
E, madam.
Okay. N? N.
V.
V.
Yeah, ma'am. V.
I?
A.
C?
L.
-7. If you go in reverse order, what you'll get? Yeah. Who's that, ma? Yes, guys, tell me. Nagratna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you want to say something, ma?
No, ma'am. I'm not saying anything.
Okay. Yeah, what is the next one you'll get, guys?
Yes, madam.
Correct. Guys, are you people really understanding, or for my sake you are saying yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am? Huh?
Understanding, madam.
Pakka.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if
Yes,
I
ma'am.
give you the questions also, you'll solve.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Lalita, are you there in the class, dear?
Ma'am.
Okay, Lalita, how was the classes?
Nice,
For
ma'am.
C, it's M, ma'am.
Huh?
For C,
Huh?
C plus 10, it means M.
Okay, okay, ma. Can we see model number 5 now?
Okay.
Model number 4. Sorry.
It's 4, ma'am.
Yeah, 4, 4. Sorry. So next one, you have something called as model number 4. Okay. So in this model number 4, I will write something. CHESS. So I will say the value for this is 25. And I will take another word HOCKEY and I will say the value for this is 36. And I am asking for football, what will be the value? Can you tell me what is the logic for this and this? How will it be 25? Guys, if you observe here, how many letters are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 5 square?
25.
25. Here in hockey, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 6 square?
36.
36. Now football, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is 8 square?
64.
Correct.
64.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
logic for this is n square, where n is equals to number of letters number of letters in the word. Number of letters in the word. Correct? Is my handwriting very crooked?
Understandable, madam.
Understandable. Okay. If it is understandable, that is enough for me. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next one, I will say the value for chess here is 125 and you have 216. What would be the value for football? What would be the value for football? Okay, Lalima. Done. Yeah, guys, if you observe here, can I say
5 1.
5 cube?
Yes, ma'am.
Cube. And what is 8 cube?
512.
5 1 2.
Correcta? Correcta? Guys, am I not audible?
Audible, ma'am.
Audible.
ma'am.
Audible, ma'am. Audible.
Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Will I go to the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
one? The next one here, I will say the value of chess is 54. For hockey, it is 67. Neither it is square nor it is cube. Then how? Neither it is square nor it is cube. How? Guys, what is the value
Number
of...
of letters and number of letters minus 1.
Nah. See, what is the value for C? What is the value for C?
Add the number of
3, ma'am.
3.
Addition of all the values of the letters.
Yes, true. H value?
Addition, ma'am.
Kanda, I know it's addition. Tell no.
Eight.
Let me solve it.
8
8. What is E?
5
What is S?
90
What is S again?
90
So if you add all these, you will get?
54.
What is the value of H?
8
8.
O is 15. Again, O is 15. K is?
Ma'am.
Yes, pa.
That is
K
11
is 11, ma'am. 11, ma'am.
Hey, Makla, see, H is 8. O is 15.
C, ma'am, next.
C is?
Ma'am.
C is 3.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, even I'm human being control. I'll make mistakes. K is?
11.
Again, E is 5.
5.
Y is 25.
Yes,
ma'am.
25, ma'am.
How much will I get?
67.
Okay. Next one, what is the value of F?
6.
What is the value of O?
15.
What is the value of O again?
15.
15.
15.
Value of T?
20.
20.
What's the value of B?
2.
2.
Value of A?
1.
1.
The value of L?
12.
12. 12.
Value of again 12? So can I say 83?
83, ma'am.
Correct?
183. Yes.
Yes, 83 is the correct answer. Yes. So you people understood all the 4 types?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or
Ma'am.
no? Any difficulties you people are facing? No.
No,
Now
ma'am.
shall I go to the exercises?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, can you people see the screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
No, na? Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Supriya, guys, I really miss you all, control. I understood. Okay. Where is this? Yeah, guys, if you observe here, is my screen visible? Should I zoom it?
Zoom it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Zoom it, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Wait, I'll zoom it. Magnifier.
Handwriting not understanding, ma'am.
What to do, Ra? This is my senior's notes. Okay, now is it pause? Can you people see here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now in this question, what is it saying? It is saying that in a certain code, violet is called indigo. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
indigo is called blue.
Blue.
And blue is called green.
Green.
And green is called yellow. Yellow is called orange and orange is called red. Then what is the color of the clear sky? What is my question? The question here it is saying, what is the color of the clear sky? Can you tell me what would be the color of the clear sky? My dear students. See, here, again, I'll go back here. Guys, if you observe, can I write here only? Yeah. Guys, if you people observe here, in this one only you have two types. In this one only you have two types. One is, what is the question it is being asked? It is saying that what is the value of clear sky? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
in this question only you have two types. If you people observe, everywhere it is saying is called. Yes or no? If you people observe here, it is saying indigo is called blue.
Yes,
Violet
ma'am.
is called indigo. Blue is called green and green is called yellow. So everywhere you people are saying this is called. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So now if I say, guys, anywhere or if you people get the answer or sorry, if you people get the question saying like some color is called something, then you people will always increment that. You people will always increment that. Before that, you people tell me, if you just see the question here, what is the question saying? The color of clear sky. Yes or no? According
Yes,
to
ma'am.
your general knowledge, what is the value of the clear sky? Sorry, what is the color of the clear sky?
Blue.
Clear sky is always blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sky blue.
Answer green, ma'am.
Yeah. See, I said if it is called, if you have something question called as is called, then you will increment by 1. So here, if you people observe the question here, it is saying that what, see, you have, where do you have blue colors? See, if you here it is saying indigo is called blue and blue is called green. So it is saying is called. So you have to increment by 1, means you have to take the next value. What is the next value of blue? What is the next value of blue? Guys,
Green, ma'am.
Green, ma'am.
guys, are you people understanding or it is confusing? Guys, is it understandable or are you people getting confused?
Understanding, ma'am.
Green. Okay. Now, if I say the question is, see, instead of violet is called green, I'll say, I will remove this is called and I will put means everywhere. If you put means, no, then always you have to decrement by 1 value.
One value.
You have to decrement by 1 value. Then that will be your decoding part. And so what is the decremented value of the next one? See, here you have 2 values. What is that? Indigo is called blue and blue is called green. Yes or no? I want the value of which sky? I want the value of this clear sky. So if you go to the previous one of this, what is the color? What is the color?
Green, ma'am.
Green na indigo na?
Indigo, ma'am.
Means if we'll take means, then indigo, ma'am. Previous one is called green, ma'am.
I am just now talking about means, not is called.
Indigo, ma'am.
Indigo,
So the
ma'am.
color here it is indigo color. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
No, ma'am.
Okay, who's that who did not understand? What's his name?
Tarun, ma'am.
Tarun. ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರೀಲಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಿರಪ್ಪ. Others understood? Others.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When I come tomorrow, I will ask question. You people don't solve, then you people have it. Okay, guys, Tarun, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡು. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಕೋಡ್, violet is called indigo, indigo is called blue, blue is called green, and green is called yellow, and yellow is called orange, and orange is called red. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
And now the question is being asked like, what is the color of the clear sky? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ? Can I write here?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is saying first to you always take this last question. What is the question asking? The question being asked is what is the value of clear sky?
Full of sky.
General knowledge ಅಲ್ಲಿ clear sky ಇದು ಕಲರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ?
Blue.
It will be blue. Don't tell me, man, light blue, that blue, this blue. Okay. You have something called as blue. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So
Yes, ma'am.
everywhere, if you observe the question, it is saying is called. Yes or no? If
Yes, ma'am.
anywhere they ask something called as is called, you have to always increment. Andre next value ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Ma'am, ಏನ್ next value ತಗೋಬೇಕು? See, if you observe here, blue ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. Indigo is called blue and blue is called green ಅಂತ. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is called ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so you have to take the next value. You have one value of blue, and what is the next value of blue?
Green.
It is green. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If suppose they ask violet means indigo anta bandre, you will -1, means you will take the previous value. Now what is the question? The question is what is the value of, or what is the color of clear sky? You have blue here also, you have blue here also, here also. So
Yes,
if you have to take the previous one, which is the previous one here? This one. So can I say indigo is called blue? So what is my color? Now the color is
Indigo.
indigo. Artha aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow shall I give test on this?
Okay.
Okay, done. Guys, are others clear with the question?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts, no?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, can we go to the exercise? Yes, can you please solve the first question for me? Yeah, can you people solve the first question for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me what's the answer?
Option A, ma'am.
Oh, option A. See, if you people see here, you have something called as, one second.
Rearranging, madam.
See, it is model number 1 or model number 2?
1, madam.
Pakka,
One,
huh?
Yes, ma'am.
It is model number 1, so only you people are rearranging it. Correct? Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, what is the second one? Ma'am, you have only written things here. Okay, you people tell me what is the answer for the second one?
B, ma'am.
ಏನ್ ತಲೆ ಇರೋನೋ ನೀನು. And now tell me, how is this coded?
Alternate words.
You have something called as alternate words. So
Alternative.
the answer will be
B.
B.
B, ma'am.
Ma'am is blabbering something. You blabber. I will do whatever I want. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer. Now tell me what is the answer. Screen is visible?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me what's the answer.
D.
Huh? What is the answer? Second one is B. How B?
Alphabetical order.
Alphabetical order. I'll write here now.
I think so.
See, what is the question? The question is minute. Minute. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is coded as E I M
M
N
N
T
T
U.
U.
So, what is the question I want here? What is that I want to? What is the question they are asking me? They are asking me for
Shower.
Shower.
Yes. What would be the answer?
A, ma'am.
A na, C na, D na, D na.
A, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
A. Hengo A. Can you people tell me? This is the word. What is the first word I will get?
E.
E. After that,
H.
Madam,
D,
D,
ma'am.
D.
E, and you have H.
H. O, ma'am.
O.
O. Okay.
R, S. R.
R, S, W.
S. W.
What
D,
is the
ma'am.
answer now?
D.
D, madam.
D is the answer. Clear? Shall I go to the next question?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the answer for this one? The question, what is the language here? You have A, P, P, L, E. And this is coded as P, P, L, E, A.
Reverse alphabetical order.
Reverse alphabetical order.
Yes, ma'am.
See? Correctly, you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Reverse alphabetical order. But you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
A here. Next one, you should get P here, no?
In Apple, there is no B, ma'am. Whatever the words they are
Yeah,
in.
see here. You said reverse alphabetical order. It is A, P, P, L, E. If I reverse it, it should be A, P, P, L, E. It should be like this.
No, ma'am. Like
Not
alphabetical
reversing the
order.
word, madam.
It is
Alphabetical
not
order and then reverse.
alphabetical order. Like first we need to give the priority for the law from
Descending order.
Okay, wait. You tell me what's the answer.
Option A.
The question, it is P, P, L, E, A.
A, C, B.
See, what is the question here? The question is C, A, P, A, P, L, E. Okay. How will I write it? So can I write P first?
Yes,
P,
ma'am.
L, E, C, B, A,
P, L, E, C, B, A, A.
C, B, A, A. Option A, ma'am. This is not.
B, A, A. You have, so
Option
the
A.
option is option A.
A. A.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Supriya will come for fighting only.
No, ma'am.
You are doing wrong, yaar. Yeah, for this one, you people tell me.
In a certain code language, Kolkata is
No, you people tell.
Kolkata. Jaipur is what? What is the
What's the answer, guys? What is the question here? Calcutta. Calcutta. Yes or no? What is it coded as? Tautlcca. What is the answer now? What is the logic here? What is the logic here? Can someone tell me what is the logic here?
Reverse order కూడా కాదు.
Guys, if you people observe here, TA. Here you have TA. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one you have UT. The same UT is written here. Next one you have LC. You have
LC.
LC written here.
CA.
CA. And C also written here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the logic here? The logic is pair of letters written in reverse order. Pair of letters in reverse order. Correcta?
Yes, ma'am.
Correcta?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the question being asked here? What is Mumbai coded as? Yes or no?
AIMBMU.
Okay,
B-
if you have MUMBAI, it is AIMB.
MU.
Correcta?
B the answer.
So what is the answer?
B.
B is the answer. Correct. Correct, guys. We go to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you people tell me what is the answer? In a certain code language, silver, you have the word silver.
Yeah, ma'am. Answer.
Coded as VERSIL.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Answer.
VERSIA. What is the logic behind this?
Last year,
Three
first.
words. Taking three words.
Second half, first half.
If you people observe here, this word is split into two. VER has come this side and SIL has come this side. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Crisscross. Which model? If it is a crisscross, which model is that?
First
Second.
one, second one.
First or second?
First model.
Second.
First model.
Who's
First model, ma'am.
second?
First model, ma'am.
It is first model. Hey, who is that who said second? Okay, what is the question being asked? If word called as author, how is it being coded? Yes or no? So okay, how will I write it as? HORAUT. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? First one. Will you solve the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me. What's the answer? In a coded language, admired, ADMIRED, admired is coded as REDIADM. What is the logic behind these two? Guys, what is the logic behind these two? If you people observe here, the middle letter is same. The middle letter is
Yes.
same. And
Second half as
ADM,
it is, ma'am.
they have written it
First half
here.
written
And
reverse.
RED, they have written it here. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question now. Answer now.
Yeah.
NGEARRA.
RRA.
Can I say it is option C?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go to the next question?
NG.
My God, what a beautiful voice. Yeah. Can you tell me what is the eighth answer? So it is saying in a certain language, CHALLENGE, okay, is coded as EGNELLAHC. Can you tell me what is the logic behind this?
Reverse, ma'am.
Reverse, ma'am.
Reverse order.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So what would be my knowledge written as KNOWLEDGE? DGE. So how will it be written? KNOWLEDGE. E, D, G, E. Yes or no? So what is my answer? E, G, D, E, L, W, O,
NK.
N, K. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Lalita's waiting in a waiting room. Guys, I have Lakshmi. I have not made anyone to wait. I cannot see no one who's present in the waiting room.
Ma'am, she's asking, ma'am.
No, Kanda, see here if you want.
Okay, ma'am.
I never make my students to
She
wait.
called me, ma'am, now.
No, Kanda, it's not here. See if you.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't have that option at all. Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Can you tell me how can this be coded as? What is it saying? GACKFRUIT. And it can be coded as CAJRFKTIU. So what is the logic behind this, guys?
3 words are reversed, ma'am.
Huh?
The reverse.
They have been reversed. Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, if you people observe here, it has been splitted into three letters. See, JAC, if I reverse it, it will be CAJ. If I reverse KFR, it will be RFK. If I reverse UIT, it will be TIU. So what will be trapezium written as? Guys, what will trapezium be written as? TRA
Option C, madam.
EEZIUM.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I make it again 3, so it is ARA ZEP.
MUI.
So what is the option?
C, ma'am.
Option C. Clear? You want me to share this PDF? Guys,
Yes,
you want
ma'am.
me to share this
Yes,
PDF?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you people now tell me how this one is done? You have the language. What is the question here? CA.
Last 3 words are reversed, ma'am.
Last 3 letters are
Reversed.
reversed. Okay, let me see. MORRAC. Last 3 letters are reversed. Only last 3 letters.
Into 2 parts.
I cannot hear. I cannot hear. There's an echo. Yes, what is the answer, guys? Can you see something here? Can you tell me what this is? See, carom is being coded as this. Yes or no? Guys,
Yes, ma'am.
by seeing this logic, can you people tell me what is that which is being happening here?
First and last two letters are coming reversed.
See, obviously it is in a reverse order only, but it is getting jumbled. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? But see, if you observe here, see, this is, see, you have the word CARROM. Okay. What is it valued as? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But here, you have written in the form of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But if you observe here, you have 6, 5. You have 3, 4, and 2, 1. It should be 4, 3, 2, 1. No, why is it 3, 4, 2, 1? Why is it 3, 4, 2, 1, guys? Guys, why is it 3, 4, 2, 1? Guys, can you people tell me why is it 3, 4, 2, 1?
Only the middle value is not changing, ma'am.
Only the middle values are not getting changed and it is being remained as it is. Yes or no? See, if you observe here also, it is the same. If you observe here also, it is the same. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So you people understood what is coding?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know, there's an echo. Wait, let me come to the meeting. Guys, did you people understand the topic which I said today? Guys,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
people understood Oh my god. Oh shit.